What is freedom? I think I stole this from Bob Dylan, but maybe I stole this from Woody Guthrie. Freedom for me is waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night, and in between doing exactly what I want to do. What's the secret to happiness? The secret to happiness is finding something you love and then doing that for the rest of your life.
What is going on, guys? New video.
Coming up on your passenger side. You can let them get through, please.
Shut up, lady. All right. So we're at Jeepin with Judd 2019. Really big expectations for the event because this year, compared to last year, right now there's already a lot of attendance, more people camping compared to last year. Weather. Let's turn that off actually, or lower it a little bit. Weather-wise, it is hot compared to last year. It's almost the same, dusty and stuff. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so hopefully it does, so it settles the dust. Wait lines, like always, you gotta wait a little bit to get on the trail ride, but here we are, we're in the JK, enjoying the windows up, that AC, you know. We have Tony and Jody. Tony is Jeepless for today till later, that the wife comes and brings the TJ.
I had to tow the camper for everybody to sleep in.
That is true. But yeah, we'll be catching up with you guys and let you know how's everything going. But yeah, we're having fun, enjoying it, right? And everything is not just the event, it's the company. Enjoy it with your friends and family. These are my Jeep family. They're like family regardless. But we'll keep you updated, guys. See you later.
Hey, John, don't be mad, buddy. You can be out here too. Epic day. Mark is finally wheeling his Jeep after the Rubicon swap that he did underneath his TJ.
Hi, boy. Coming. What's going on, guys? Jeepin with Judd 2019, and it's in full effect. We're about to head down to the show and shine. I'll be showing you some shots, drone, time lapses, whatever. We're just having a good time. We have Tony, Jody, so Marcus over there. Look at him, look at him. He's finally wheeling his Jeep. We got it fixed. Well, he got it fixed. I was just chilling. Tony helped. His linkage, his control arms. The whole thing is all set up now, and he is actually wheeling. But it has been a nice day. It's hot though, dusty, but catch you in a little bit, guys. Alright guys, Tampa Jeep Lab, prime parking, Main Street, stacking with Steve, Lavallega, Copperhead, Jeeps all over.
Alright, What is freedom? I think I stole this from Bob Dylan, but maybe I stole this from Woody Guthrie. Freedom for me is waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night, and in between doing exactly what I want to do. What's the secret to happiness? The secret to happiness is finding something you love and then doing that for the rest of your life.
Oh, it's recording. Okay. Sure, thank you.
Which one do I look at? This one?
Let's do this one right now.
All right.
I need that picture.
Where are you from?
Tampa? Yeah.
We're glad you're here with
No,
us.
definitely. We'll always come. What's up? Guys, so we already did trail number 8. Took a little bit of time to get out of there. It was a long group, so we had to wait. Some people got stuck, but whatever, we're out. We went to the camp, set up. We are now at the vendors checking out. There's a lot of more people compared to yesterday. Weather way nicer. Today it rained in the morning and night, so the trails are not dusty. It's just now the sun is coming out now, so it's hot. Saturday, end of the day, we already did the trails and everything. Now everybody is just preparing dinner. We have Steve right here trying to light up the fire. Look at that.
Fire, gotta get
The
mood
fireman,
right.
fireman playing with the fire.
Don't try this at home.
But we are going to a night ride apparently.
Yeah, little night ride, little round it out for tonight. Wake up tomorrow morning.
We're excited. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm tired. I'm tired. If the night ride wasn't so good at night, I wouldn't go. I would just relax and get some rest. But the people want it. The people want it.
Look at this. We created a little compound. We surrounded campers, tents, campers, tents. So this is just a close group of friends, families around, you know, having fun at night. We're enjoying this fire right here, and in the morning we do a collective breakfast for everybody. So later on, little night ride and just chill again on the fire. I'm really sorry that at this point I haven't been able to film much. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to go and pop the drone. Today it was really windy, so I wasn't really able to fly it. Then I went on some trail rides, and it's really hard. They don't let you get down, but oh, okay, I have some people waving over there, so let's go. Let's go.
JW.
JWJ. We don't even know our initials.
By this time, yeah, as you see, it's not just me that I'm tired. Everybody is gone. Like this guy, just tired.
Just tired, man.
JWJ 2019.
But yeah, we have been here. Most of everybody has been here since Thursday. So we're just done. We're tired, but tomorrow's the last day. We're gonna go.
We partying tonight.
Oh, look at that.
Alcohol-free night.
His famous sausage. Look at that. What is that?
Italian sausage from Cacciatori's in West Tampa. And brothers. That's not West Tampa. That's not West Tampa.
That's not West Tampa.
Oh,
That's not a country. That's not West Tampa.
All right, guys. You're wondering where's Eddie sleeping at? This is my lovely little deluxe 3-person tent where I slept really good. And then you just have a lot of craziness all around. It's just campers, tents. Everybody from Florida. There's people from out of state. So we really got really lucky with this place right here. We were early, so they were able to pick what spot we wanted, and we have our own little secluded area. We have porta potties right there, corrals for the cattle where they're not using it right now, our own excavator. But yeah, I'll catching up with you tomorrow. I'm gonna go rest, chill, and rest a little bit so I can actually be able to record for you tomorrow. Let's go ahead and do that. See you guys. Alright guys, so it's Monday. Jeepin with Judd is done. I got here yesterday around 3:30. Today is Monday after work. I just got off from work. I just wanted to close up the video for you guys. I wanted to say thank you to all the ones I was able to meet at the trails, people that I have on Instagram or YouTube, and I was able to finally meet. So I do appreciate for those that took the time to say hi. I know there were some other people. Coach Ray, I owe you one. I didn't get to catch you over there. Some other friends that, you know, normally I only see at these events and I was not able to catch up with. It was just a lot to do. You guys know the trails took so long. You got to do that line. You got to go on that trail ride. It is 2 hours. So it was a lot. But it was worth it. I had fun. The group that we had a great time when we were at camp, eating, the bonfires, all the shenanigans, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next event that I definitely for sure will be at is Jeep Beach in Daytona, Florida. I already have my hotel booked. I'll be there with the Team Jeep Lab, Mark, Tony, Andrea. I don't know who else will be there with us since Wednesday. We're gonna be there since Wednesday, so we have plenty of time to do something. Go to the beach. I'll be posting stuff to let you know where I'm at if you want to hang out with us. I'll be going to the event at the Speedway, all the parties that they do, the Tiki Party, the 4x4, the Spider Web Shade, whatever it is, we'll be there. But again, I do appreciate for you watching. Don't forget to hit comment, like, and subscribe, and see you on the next one, guys. Take care.